Okay guys, once again, this is a follow-up for the gold updates since our previous the overall forecast of the gold until maybe for the year and the first quarter of 2023. As I've said, that it is clearly stated on the analysis that the prices will still drop. The gold will drop until it can hit the strong level of support. Okay, guys. So we'll make some latest update for the gold, because if you review the gold based on my previous analysis, those level were in the support level really hit the target. Okay. Okay, we will make some another again illustration for a recap for this meter. Since this is the goal, okay, we will make some another illustration for this. Okay, so considering that is the considering this illustration, okay. So assuming this is a monthly, okay. So considering that is the monthly illustration of this metal, okay. Okay, since this is the latest price, or to hit the target of, I think this is 168864. So now 168864, I think, more or less 16864. Then okay, I will make some more focus. We will reduce uh, the portion so that we can concentrate on the maybe on the daily. But now I try to make the specific level wherein the prices bounce back. Okay. So since that we will consider this as a monthly. Okay. Since this is the here, this is the highest price, 2065. Okay. And then this level here. So kindly check my previous analysis with this meter, since this is the exact illustration for this one. Yeah, it's an exact illustration for the gold. Now this is the, consider this as a monthly. So this is a monthly candle. Okay, so we will focus on this one, this level. Since on the monthly, this, as I've said, this level here, we have here this as imbalance of prices, and also this one. So this imbalance of prices, I've said, this level, it will project a line here. This will be the next potential level of support. So this is support. So what are these levels? So what are this level? We will check that level. That level is 1590, 1590, and also this one is 1524. Okay, so that is the on the monthly. That's why I decided to make this up an update. This in continuation of our previous uh, forecast, which is already suggested on the gold top forecast. I think this until now it is reflected on the top level of the uh, videos, forecast videos analysis. Okay, guys, since I will not touch the level here, but what I'm trying to emphasize is the potential next level of support. This support, this support for me, still it will be here 1590 and 1524. It will be broken. Maybe you will say the Mcnicks why it will happen. Is it, are you Nostradamus, or what? As I've said, the chart tells, and based on the indicators, based on the price actions momentum, it is, we cannot deny the fact that the the bias trend of this gold is still on downtrend. As I've said, maybe this is about August, September, it's over bear months, and then if I will, as I've said, I will focus this. We will bring that level there, uh, because that is a monthly. We will focus on the weekly and daily for your reference, because I know that you are also monitoring the higher and lower time frame. But if we will focus this level, this current price, there is there is a rejection already. And if you check based on my previous video clips, that this level already, I already forecasted that this level will be hit in line with the previous this one. So the on the monthly low, almost same level from the monthly time frame higher price. So if you will check on the weekly, if you will check on the weekly time frame, we will raise this one. Considering on the weekly, we are focusing on the weekly. The okay, I will make some division here. This is a weekly. This is a daily. For this level, okay? Okay. So that is the weekly and the daily. So in the weekly, from this level, the price after hitting this high price here, this one, this is the trend of the market, of the prices. So if you will project an imaginary line here, this one, this trend, the the prices perfectly, this this is the shape, this is the trend line downward, and also this low. So there's a lower low and higher and lower high. Okay, high price. So this is the this is the shape that the weekly prices during the downtrend. And if we will check on the daily, if we will check on the daily, still the prices, okay guys, since this is the daily, still if we will this line project to that level, this is the trend line, and this is the level of support. So since the daily support, this price 1688.64. So this is the rejection daily. So this is the weekly and the daily illustration. So now, if you will check the level is same low, while the downtrend of the trend line is continue. So meaning today, since there's a rejection, there's a potential that for the few days, next days, it will make some correction upward, preferring this trend line. And then again, the prices will fall, breaking this 1688.64. So there's a correction. But for me, I think the most safest way is to wait if you can position. Because if you trend here, due to volatility, maybe you can manage, but be aware that if it will hit on this trend line, it's better to close the order, take some profits, and then prepare for the downtrend. Because this is the main bias The main bias is bearish. Main bias is bearish on that trend. So for me, uh, if I can make some 4 hours, 1 hour, it's very, you will upload a video, but I think this is the most important. The higher, the middle time frame to consider. So you have to be aware, huh? You have to be watchful to this level, 1524, for the next support, and then a 1590 and then 1524. So for me, I will make some, that's why I decided to up, make some update, but still we are focusing on the main forecast. There is no changes. There's regardless of the present because we are dealing with the daily, 4 hours, weekly, but overall the trend will continue to down just like that, and then even lower this one. So because currently on the higher time frame, there is a 60, 50 EMA here on this level, that one, that one. So if this is the current price, there is a 60 EMA, 60 EMA, 50 EMA, that line. So if this is the current price, there's a rejection, but I have someone that this level here, this level, the 60 EMA will coincide. There's a confluence between this imbalance of prices, this 1590 and the 650 EMA. That maybe there's some correction, but it will again drop, breaking this until even this level of 1524. Okay, guys. And then again, below that line is the 200 EMA. So the trend line is upward, but there are some indicators that is pointing downward. But I know that, but for me, there I have some other price action, market structure, even if the position of the dynamic moving averages, this one, this dynamic support is pointing upward slightly, but I know that it will be broken. It will be broken, and even this level of below this support here. But we will focus first on these two potential support that these prices will be hit. Okay, so that's for all, guys. I hope that you will support Mcnicks channel. Uh, Make this as your reference and subscribe, and then you can make some comments there so that we can have interactions with regards to this. What is the behavior of this metal? So I know that until year in, these prices will drop, even the first quarter of 2023, and then you can find a potential strong level of support. Then again, prices will rebound. So I hope that we will prepare this strong level of weight of interest, because there are some support, but that support is not strong enough that these prices will tend to move higher back to this level. It needs to be a wide zone as your strong level zone before it will. We can consider it's about time to put our hard-earned money to invest this metal upward. Okay, guys, thank you very much, and God bless.